So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing of Turbo-X. The one in the package, not the one to the left. And I'll explain what I mean after that. It really should be called Turbo-Y, not Turbo-X. And I'll explain to you what that means too. So I'm the kind of guy, when I buy something and I like it, I keep it forever until I either break it or lose it. And this is Turbo-X. I think I picked it up at Walmart, so I probably didn't pay more than $2 or $3 for it. I got 2 of them because they were cheap, and they've lasted me forever. And as you can see though, this one's starting to let loose. I didn't tighten the screws up and do the proper maintenance on it. Although it functions correctly, you know, it still does what it wants to do, but I'm missing a post in here and a couple other things. So I said, you know, let me go look on eBay, see if I can find another one, because I really like these knives, and I'd like to have another one. I carry them in different places. So this is a review about the replacement that I got. So this is what arrived. Still called Turbo-X. Sort of looks like the other one. It's a pretty good copy, I guess, if what you want to call it, that one. The big difference is, though, it's not the same thing. It's a little lighter. It's got this big old bulky looking stuff on the top. It's plastic around the edge. And it's not the turbo that your grandma used to know. So the first thing I noticed is that the weight was significantly different. So what I want to do is I want to weigh it and show you what the difference is in the Turbo-X of new and the Turbo-X of old. So let's weigh the old one first and see what it weighs. So it's about 5.5 ounces. Now the new one is 3.89 or 3.9 ounces, or about 1.5 ounces less than the older ones. So the new one, if you look, that's stamped on there. This has got this big plastic piece here. This is how you release the blade inside of it. And if you look, it's really kind of flimsy. And this is plastic through here, and it's plastic on the bottom. You can, it's probably why the weight is less. Well, the old one, on the other hand, is got an embossed or raised X. This looks about the same, but there is no plastic. It looks like it's got aluminum outside, steel core on the inside. And if you look at the profile on this one, it's kind of low. So I don't think it's gonna, well, I know it doesn't break. I'm not sure if the other one doesn't. And then you push it straight out like that. And for this one, there's where you release the blade. You simply pull that back and release the blade. And this one also sticks out just a tad longer than the new one. And this one's a bit thinner. It sets in your hand. It feels good. That's what I liked about it, is I like the feel of it, you know. So for the price, I guess it's okay. I mean, like I said, I only paid like $5 or $6 for it, but I would, if I had felt it before I bought it, I don't think I'd have bought these. They just don't feel as good as the old one. So I'm gonna look around, see if I can find some old ones. They're still out there, and pick up another one to replace this one from that one. I think I'm gonna have to pay a bit more than $5 or $6 from what I've seen so far. But so that's my unboxing of the Turbo-X knife, and my recommendation would be leery. If you thought it was the old one, it's really not. They have the same part number, but they're not the same utility knife.